Hi there. I said I would let you guys know how to put the cute little picture on a PowerPoint. So we had our instructor, Jody Godfrey, had her picture on each different slide, and a couple of people were really excited about that and wanted to know how to do it. So quick video. So you're going to open your PowerPoint file. You're going to click Insert. There we go. And here we have Cameo. Now, if your PowerPoint doesn't have Cameo, check to make sure you have the most current version, and you might want to just Google Cameo, PowerPoint Cameo, and see if there's a way you can set it up. So when I opened it, Cameo was there. I didn't have to do anything. So when you click on the down arrow, you have the choice between adding a Cameo to this slide or all slides. Now, I will say, if you do this slide, it only does one slide, and that gives you the flexibility of putting it anywhere you want. Let me go ahead and add one. So I just clicked to this slide, and here it showed up in the bottom right corner as just an icon. You can see I've got designer. It gives me some choices of where to put it. I'm going to close that. So the advantage of doing one slide is you can change where it goes on every single slide. So bottom right works great for me here, but on another slide, I may have information there that my picture would cover up. So you see Jody had hers move all around, and that is the most flexibility. Now, if you choose all slides, that is much easier. You can get them all done at once, but you have to make sure they're all formatted in a way that you're not going to cover something up. So it's up to you. Both ways are great. It's just your own, how you want to do it, your own customization. So you can see up here, I can choose what it looks like, the shape of the outside, if it's bounded with an outline or not. So all these things. And if you wanted to apply to all slides, you would use that. You can change your border and shape. So lots of effects. So that's basically all you need to do. I'm going to go ahead and click. Let's just do the round one. Okay. And I'm going to click the little camera. Oops. Did it work? Should work. I don't know why that little information came. Oh, I think I know why. Because I'm using my camera for Teams and it's not going to pop up. So if you just click on it, your picture from your camera should show what you look like in each one. And then let's say I want to go to another slide. And now I want to put it here in the bottom left because that's a good spot for it. So I'm going to hit Cameo, Insert, Cameo, this slide, and get rid of that. Sorry for that. And then I'm just going to click my left mouse button and drag him over here. And now I want him to look like a square. Yeah, see, it says camera in use. That's why it's not going to show it to me. So you can go through all your slides and just pick how you want it to look. It really doesn't take that long if you want to do all the slides individually, or you can just do on all slides. So that is the quick and easy way to use Cameo to put your picture, the speaker, in each PowerPoint slide. All right. See you later.